Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is vector algebra. Now subtopic is addition of vectors. Now here this concept and basics are very important for all board exams and also all competitive exams including JEE. Now physical quantities are two types. Okay, first one scalars, second one vectors. Okay, what is a scalar? A physical quantity which has only magnitude is called a scalar. Now example, length, mass, time, speed. Okay, so many quantities is there. Now some examples, length, mass, time, speed. Okay, what is a vector? A vector is a physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Both magnitude and direction. And also geometrically a directed line segment is called a vector. Example, force, velocity, acceleration. Okay, so many quantities is there. Now example, force, velocity, acceleration. Okay, note all real numbers are scalars. Okay, note 2, vectors are represented by thick letters or a letters with bar. Note 3, if a bar is a vector, then its length is denoted by mod a bar or a. Next one, types of vectors. First one, position vector. Okay, now let us consider a plane or space. Okay, now O be the fixed point in the space called as a origin. If P is any point on this space, then OP bar is called a position vector with respect to O. Now here OP bar is called a position vector with respect to O. Okay, next one, zero vector. Okay, what is a zero vector? A vector of length 0 and having any direction is called a zero vector or null vector. Okay, it is denoted by 0 bar or O bar. Okay, note if A is any point in the space, then A bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay, A bar means OA bar minus OA bar, that is equal to 0 bar. Note 2, a non-zero vector is called a proper vector. A non-zero vector is called a proper vector. Next one, unit vector. A vector of length 1 unit is called a unit vector. It is denoted by a cap, where a cap is equal to a bar by mod a bar. Okay, note 1, unit vector in the direction of a bar by mod a bar. Unit vector in the direction opposite to the a bar is minus a bar by mod a bar. Unit vector parallel to a bar is equal to plus or minus a bar by mod a bar. Next one, co-initial vectors. Vectors having same initial point is called a co-initial vector. Now here OA A bar, OB B bar, OC C bar. Here A bar, B bar, C bar are co-initial vectors. Next one, equal vectors. Two vectors A bar and B bar are equal if they have same direction and equal length. Note here important point, if A bar and B bar position vectors of the points A and B respectively, then AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. Now here OB bar means position vector of B minus OA means position vector of A. AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. Next one, collinear vectors or parallel vectors. Vectors are said to be parallel or collinear if they lie on a line or on parallel lines. Now here observe that A bar and B bar. Here also A bar and B bar parallel or collinear vectors. Okay, note if A bar B bar are collinear vectors, A bar is equal to lambda into B bar, where lambda belongs to R, or A bar is equal to T into B bar, where T belongs to R. Okay, three vectors are given. If A bar, B bar, C bar are collinear vectors, AB bar is equal to lambda into AC bar, where lambda belongs to R. Okay, next one. If A bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar, B bar is equal to B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar are collinear vectors. Now condition A1 by B1 is equal to A2 by B2 is equal to A3 by B3. Okay, fourth point, if A bar B bar are collinear vectors, if and only if A bar comma B bar is equal to 0 degrees or 180 degrees. Okay, next one, like vectors or unlike vectors. Two vectors A bar and B bar are said to be like vectors if A bar B bar have same direction. Now here observe that A bar B bar have same direction. Now here A bar B bar are like vectors. Okay, unlike vectors means if A bar B bar are opposite direction. Now here observe that A bar and B bar opposite direction. Now here A bar and B bar are unlike vectors. Next one, coplanar vectors. Vectors are said to be coplanar if they lie in a plane or in parallel planes. Otherwise, they are said to be non-coplanar vectors. Okay, now let us consider a plane. Now here A, B, C, D. Okay, now here origin. Now AB, AC, AD. Okay, now here A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar are coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors. Okay, now AB bar, AC bar, AD bar are coplanar vectors. Okay, note one, collinear vectors are coplanar vectors. Collinear vectors are, all collinear vectors are coplanar. The vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar if there exist scalars x, y, z, not all 0, such that xa bar, yb bar plus zc bar equal to 0. Now here x, y, z are scalars, x not equal to 0, y not equal to 0, and also z not equal to 0. Okay, next third one, if A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar, now according to triple product, box ABC equal to 0. Okay, now box ABC means suppose three vectors are given, A bar equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar, B bar equal to B1 I bar plus B2 J bar plus B3 K bar, C bar equal to C1 I bar plus C2 J bar plus C3 K bar. Then box ABC equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now find det of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 equal to 0 means A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Otherwise, given vectors are non-coplanar. Okay, four vectors are given: OA bar, OB bar, OC bar and OD bar. Okay, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar are coplanar means box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar equal to 0. Okay, now here AB bar is equal to, according to position vectors, OB bar minus OA bar. Next, AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar. AD bar is equal to OD bar minus OA bar. Okay, now find det of AB, AC, AD equal to 0 means A, B, C, D are coplanar vectors. Otherwise, given vectors are non-coplanar vectors. Next one, linear combination of a vectors. Linear combination means one vector multiple with a scalar. That combination is called a linear combination. Now here A1, A2 up to so on An be a n vectors. Let R be a any vector. Let R bar is equal to x1 A1 bar, x2 A2 bar, x3 A3 bar up to so on xn An bar is called a linear combination of the vectors A1 bar, A2 bar up to so on An bar. Now here x1, x2, x3 up to so on xn are scalars. A1 bar, A2 bar, A3 bar up to so on An bar are vectors. Next one, linearly dependent vectors or LD vectors. Okay, a system of vectors A1 bar, A2 bar up to so on An bar is linearly dependent vectors if there exists a system of scalars x1, x2 up to so on xn. All are not 0 or at least one of scalar is non-zero. Now such that x1 A1 bar, x2 A2 bar up to so on xn An bar equal to 0. Here scalar x1, x2 up to so on xn all are not equal to 0. Okay, linearly independent vectors means here x1, x2 up to so on xn are is equal to 0. Here x1, x2 up to so on xn is equal to 0. Okay, linearly dependent vectors and linearly dependent vectors. Okay, linearly dependent vectors are 0 vector, parallel or collinear vectors, coplanar vectors. Now linearly independent vectors, non-zero vectors, non-parallel vectors, non-collinear vectors, non-coplanar vectors are linearly independent vectors. Next, any four vectors in a 3D space are linearly dependent vectors. Any superset of LD vectors is also a linearly dependent vectors. Okay, linearly dependent vectors means det equal to 0. Linearly independent vectors means det not equal to 0. Okay, if A bar, B bar, C bar or three vectors are given, now find det. If A, B, C are coplanar means given vectors are linearly dependent vectors. Now A, B, C non-coplanar means given vectors are linearly independent vectors.